Welcome class. Today we are going to learn about light energy. We will learn something new about light. We see different objects in the light that hit on it reflects back. We are able to see the objects because they reflect the light. It helps us to see those objects. But can we say that all the light hitting the object is reflected back? No, all the light is not reflected back. Only a part is reflected back. Though there are some exceptions. So let us learn when we put on a torch, when we switch on a torch and put light like this, then we get light. But when light passes through some solid objects like this bag, yellow colored bag, then we see that light is not reflected by it. So these objects, they absorb light and they cast a shadow. And the area exactly behind the bag is darker as light is not able to pass through it. So we call it as a shadow. This is known as a shadow. Let us talk about different types of objects. Transparent objects. These are the objects which allow all the light to pass through them. They are known as the transparent objects. For example, in this box you can see this. Some examples like window panes. These are the transparent objects. Spectacles, car windshield, bulb, thermometer. They allow all the light to pass through them and we are able to see through them. So these are known as the transparent objects. We call them transparent because they allow all the light to pass through them. So we get all the details of the different objects on the other side of these objects. When we have transparent glasses, window panes, then we get all the details of all the objects which are behind them. Next comes the translucent objects. When we put light on some object, they allow some light to pass through them and some light is absorbed or reflected back. So these objects, we call them translucent. For example, tinted window, frosted glass, sunglasses, wax paper, glass containing any colorful liquid, oiled paper, tissue paper also, colored syrup, gemstones. So all these are translucent objects which do not allow all the light to pass through but a partially they allow. Next are the opaque objects they are the objects which do not allow any light to pass through them and absorb the light. And some of the light is reflected back and some is absorbed, but they do not let light pass through them. For example, a football, battery, pillow, teddy bear, plastic cup or a pen stand or different solid objects we see around ourselves. Next thing about light is that light consists of 7 different colors and we can see those 7 colors using a prism. When we allow a beam of white light to pass through a glass prism, the white light splits into 7 colors. And these are the different 7 colors and we call them VIBGYOR. The colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So the short form goes VIBGYOR. We call them VIBGYOR. So this experiment confirms that light is made up of 7 different colors. White light splits into 7 colors in a rainbow. After rain we are able to see. Next thing comes the dispersion of light. It means the 7 colors of white light, when they fall on any object, the object either absorb them or reflect them. So the different objects, they reflect different color. For example, apple, it reflect only red color. If any object is, we see green colored vegetable, it means it absorbs all different colors. It is only reflecting green color. So whatever color the object reflects, it shows that color. And white color, when we talk about white color, it absorbs none, it doesn't absorb any color, it reflects back all, so it appears white in color. But when we talk about black color, it absorbs all the colors of the light falling on it, and that is why it is black, it doesn't reflect any color. So black colored objects, they absorb all the colors and they make us feel hot in the sun because they absorb more light. While white colored clothes, they make us feel better in summer because they do not absorb any color and they make us feel comfortable in hot season. That is why we people enjoy more white clothes when it is sunny or in summer season, and we wear dark colored clothes when it is sunny or cold outside. So we learned about different types of objects.